Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. Come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Inhale. 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 Repeat after me. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim प्राञ्जलिं आनतोऽस्मि नित्यं हरिः ओम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्. Take both hands behind your back, hold right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale, bend forward. Pay your respects to Mother Earth, parents, teachers, God and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. Come to sitting position. Sitting Dandasana. Sitting Dandasana. Legs straight, body straight. Keep the palms besides your body. Relax your feet forward, backward, 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 forward. Move your feet left to right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Move your feet in circular fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing position. Stand up. Inhale. Take your hands above your head. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Inhale. Straighten. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Inhale. Straighten. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the hands down. Sidewise bending. Inhale, take the right hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Keep both hands in front, palms facing down. Inhale. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back. inhale center, exhale twisted look back, 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 inhale center. Bring the hands down, exhale. Throw your hands sideways upwards to sideways upwards with exhalation. Exhale. Bring it down and swing it to the other side upwards. Exhale. Bring it down and swing it to the other side upwards. Exhale. Side to side. Exhale. 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 Stop. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Bend and twist. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Further exhale, twist and touch left feet with right palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Other side. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch right feet with left palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Let us do few rounds of this. Inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, 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 inhale. Stop. Keep your hands, palms at the waist level. Keep your feet at shoulder length apart. Raise your left knee, touch the left palm and keep it down. Raise your right knee, touch the right palm and keep it down. Left, right, 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 left, right. Stop. Relax. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Take your hands above your head. Now when I say inhale, inhale and bring both the legs 90 degrees. When I say exhale, exhale and bring both the legs down. Inhale, exhale, 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 Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Bring the hands down. Relax. Bend both the knees. Keep your hands below your neck. Interlock your fingers. Use your stomach muscles and raise your upper portion up slightly. Let the stomach tighten. 1. Go back. 2. Go back. 3. Go back. 4. Go back. 5. Go back. 6. Go back. 7. Go back. 8. Go back. 9. Go back. 10. Go back. Lie down relaxedly. Straighten your legs. Relax. Take your hands above your head. Bring both the legs 90 degrees. Hold the position. Breathe normally till I count 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Bring the hands down. Relax. Relax. Turn on to your stomach. Onto your stomach. Turn on to your stomach. Keep your feet flat, feet together, feet flat. Chin on the ground. Keep your palms on the floor near your chest. Now slowly inhale and rise your upper portion up. Bhujangasana. Straighten your elbows. Upper portion fully up. Head up. Back bent. Lower portion on the floor. Feet flat. Use your back muscles. Breathe normally. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Keep your chin on the ground. Keep your palms on the ground near your chest. Again, do the Bhujangasana, serpent posture. Rise your inhale and rise your upper portion up. Lower portion from the waist down on the ground, upper portion up. This is very good for back. A very good exercise for the back muscles and the spinal cord. Even the stomach muscles are exercised. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Now, keep your palms below your thighs. Rise both the feet up from the waist. Chin on the ground. Drop it down. Relax. Again, both the feet together. Rise both the feet from the waist. Breathe normally. Drop it down. Relax. Come to standing position. Stand up. Let us do Surya Namaskara. Come to one side of the mat. Keep your feet together. Put Namaskar Mudra. Let us pray to Surya Bhagavan, Surya Narayana. Narayana in the form of sun god. We cannot see God. We can see the majesty of God in all the magnificent objects in the universe. When you look at sun, you see the power of God. Through sun, we offer our respect to God, Surya Narayana. Let us do the small prayer to sun god, Surya Narayana. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasya Pihitam Mukham Tattvam Poshan Apabruno Satya Dharmaya Drushtaye. Om Ekam. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel posture. Dve, bend forward, come down, bend forward, touch your toes. Pada Hastasana. 3D, keep your palms beside your feet. Take your right leg back, right knee on the ground. Left feet in front, near your left palm. Right knee in the ground, on the ground. Ashwasancharanasana, horse riding posture. Chatwari, take your left feet back, join with your right feet, body like a straight line. On your palms and toes, body like a straight line, plank position. Dandasana. Pancha, keep your knees on the ground, sit back. Shashankasana, rabbit posture. Shat, come forward, touch your chest and chin on the ground. Two toes, two knees, two palms, chest and chin, 8 places touching the ground. सा अष्ट अंग प्रणाम. Sapta, raise your upper portion up in Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Bhujangasana. On your toes and palms, knees in the air, lower portion very near to the ground, upper portion bent upwards. Ashta, raise your middle portion up, adjust your feet, heels on the ground, inverted V shape, body like a mountain, middle portion up on your palms and feet. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward looking dog, or Parvatasana also you can call it. Lower, keep your knees on the ground, sit back, Shashankasana, rabbit posture, Dasha, bring the right foot forward, near your right palm, left leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana, right leg forward, horse riding posture. Dasha, Ekadasha, bring the left foot forward, join with your right foot, bend forward, touch your toes, Padahastasana. Dvadasha, take your hands above your head, rise up, straighten and go back, bend backwards, Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel posture. Now come back, put Namaskara near your chest, come back to the Sthiti. This is one Surya Namaskara. Okay. Relax. Come to sitting position. Sit down. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Relax. 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 Let us do Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika. Keep your palms in front of you. Bend your elbows. Keep your palms near your chest. Inhale and take your palms above your head. Exhale, bring it down and make a fist. This you have to do in a fast manner like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let us do 30 rounds. Start. Stop. Sit silently, close your eyes. See the vibrations of energy in the body. Body is energized. Let us do Kapalabhati. Make a fist. Keep your thumb inside your palms and make a fist with both hands. Keep one fist against each other. Keep it near your navel. Brahma Mudra. This is called Brahma Mudra. Close your eyes. Now you don't pay attention to the inhalation. Pay attention only to the exhalation. Forceful exhalation. You do forceful exhalation, and while exhaling, tuck your stomach inside, pressing the diaphragm. Inhalation happens automatically, like this. Okay, let us do 20 rounds of this. Start. Stop. Sit silently. Okay. Keep your palms on your knees, index finger touching the thumb, palms facing upwards, 3 fingers outstretched. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara 9 times. Chant Omkara with sacredness and respect. Omkara represents Supreme God, Narayana. Narayana, Supreme God, is represented by Omkara. Omkara sound starts from navel center and travels all the way to top of the head, Sahasrara. At the end of Omkara sound, there is a silence and peace. Merge your mind in silence and peace. Silence is God. Peace is God. Peace of mind is God. Don't look for God, some separate God sitting somewhere in another loka or anything, another world. God is your peace of mind. Let us chant Omkara. Inhale. 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 Sit silently. Keep your mind on top of the head. Sit silently. Put Namaskar Mudra. Repeat after me. Asato ma sadgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrityorma amrutam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Fold your hands, pray to God. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shiva Swarupi. Shivoham. 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 Repeat after me. We practice yoga for a better physical health, mental peace, and a clear intellect. Purpose of my life is Atmano Mokshardham Jagat Hitaya Cha. Purpose of my life is to attain self-realization and to help others attain self-realization. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. See you in the next class. Thank you very much. Hari Om.